I used to be a beggar, down on calloused knees.